Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to see the time lapse on Google Earth so that you can watch how our planet has changed through the satellite imagery that you can find on the Google Earth application. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and a growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on this third icon at the top of the screen, and then tap on the nature option in the middle of the screen, and then click on this first part, time lapse in Google Earth. So now as you can see in the middle of the screen there is a scale, so you can go back in time, like even to 1984, or you can also have a look at the recent years. If you scroll down, you can search the planets, so you can type in any location that you are interested in, and you can also select one of these, like the fragile beauty, the warming planet. So tap on it, and then you will see the time lapse here. And then you can also read about read a small texts and introductions. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.